Let's see what is the difference between Android versus Windows Phone. Android is developed by Google. Windows Phone was developed by Microsoft. Android is still widely used today. Windows Phone has been discontinued. Android has millions of apps available. Windows Phone had fewer apps available. Android uses the Google Play Store. Windows Phone used the Microsoft Store. Android is available on many phone brands. Windows Phone was available on limited brands. Android has better app compatibility. Windows Phone had limited app compatibility. Android uses widgets on the home screen. Windows Phone used live tiles on the home screen. Android has a larger market share worldwide. Windows Phone had a very small market share. Android has a larger user community. Windows Phone had a smaller user community. Android receives regular updates from Google. Windows Phone no longer receives updates. Android supports a wide variety of applications. Windows Phone supported fewer applications. Android supports Google Assistant. Windows Phone supported Cortana. Android devices are available in many price ranges. Windows Phone devices were available in fewer models. Android offers more customization options. Windows Phone offered fewer customization options. Android is used by brands like Samsung, Xiaomi, and OnePlus. Windows Phone was mainly used by Nokia Lumia devices. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.